Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix PayPal account balance. If your PayPal account balance is not showing up on your PayPal account, then you can fix the issue by trying the steps shown in the video. The first thing you'd want to do is to open the PayPal application and sign into your account, and your account balance should be displayed on the main screen. If you're not being able to do so, then you might not have added a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. Go to the wallet section at the bottom right and tap on Add New option right next to card. Now select whether you would like to add a bank account or a debit and credit card account from the option and tap on it. Make sure that you've linked your bank or added a credit or debit card to your account so that the balance will pop up in the main home screen. If you don't have any payment methods added, then you will not be able to see the account balance. If you have a suitable payment method added but still you are not being able to do so, then it might be due to pending transactions or limitations to your account. Check your recent activity for any uncleared transactions. If the problem still doesn't fix for you, then you can also go ahead and contact PayPal support for clarification. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your PayPal account balance is not showing up on your PayPal account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.